In this video, we're going to be showing you how to withdraw Notcoin on Telegram to your wallet. We're going to be using the OKX, and when we open the OKX app first, we want to get the crypto address for Notcoin here on OKX. So here in the OKX dashboard, you're going to go to the bottom right where you have assets and you're going to tap on it. And here in assets, you're going to look at the top where you have deposit. You'll click on deposit, select deposit crypto. So here we get to select the assets. We're going to search for Not, and you can see Notcoin. Then you're going to select the deposit network, and you can see the network for Noton. And here you have the alphanumeric code and the QR code. So we're going to copy the alphanumeric code and have that on our clipboard. Now we're going to go over to Telegram for our Notcoin. So here in the Telegram wallet, we have some different assets here. And here we're looking at Notcoin. Of course, there isn't any Notcoin in this wallet, but when you have yours, you're going to have to click on send. And when you click on send, you can put the copied crypto address from your OKS wallet for Notcoin here in your Telegram wallet. After which you're going to complete the transaction and confirm it. And then after a few minutes, you can go to your OKX and confirm that you have your Notcoin there. So this is how to withdraw Not on Telegram to your wallet.